The changing climate is also placing growing pressure on Vietnam's natural ecosystems. Tam Giang Lagoon, which is the largest brackish water lagoon system in Southeast Asia, is one example. As population growth, overfishing, and climate change take their toll, local communities and authorities are working together to restore aquatic resources and protect local livelihoods.
In the past, when aquatic resources were abundant, a single fishing net was often enough for people living around Tam Giang Lagoon to subsist, as natural stocks have declined. However, many local fishermen have chosen to preserve traditional fishing practices rather than resort to destructive methods, allow aquatic species to continue growing and replenishing their populations.
I fish using traditional nets that don't harm the fish, do not injure the fish or disrupt their natural growth. We simply cast the net and wait. When the fish swim into it, we catch only those that are trapped. We want the fish population to grow, so there will be more to catch in the future. We don't want to harm them.
Conserving biodiversity is not only about how aquatic resources are harvested, but also about how they are farmed. Without effective conservation, many aquatic species could gradually lose their natural habitats, threatening the livelihoods of communities living around the lagoon. Many local households have adopted natural aquaculture practices, minimizing disturbance to the habitats of aquatic species and helping to preserve the lagoon's ecological balance.
These mangrove roots provide shelters for crabs, shrimp, and other small aquatic species. This is a net enclosed pond system where fish and shrimp are raised entirely in a natural environment. The use of commercial feed is kept to a minimum because if it is released into the lagoon, native shrimp species often cannot survive.
Tam Giang commune has around 2,500 hectares of water surface within the Tam Giang Lagoon, including 25 hectares used for aquaculture. However, the lagoon's vast area, coupled with limited management resources, makes patrolling and protecting aquatic resources a significant challenge. In response, local authorities are implementing a range of management and conservation planning measures to restore aquatic resources and safeguard the lagoon's ecosystem.
Tam Giang Commune is also home to the Vume Aquatic Resort Protection Area in Ha Kong Village. Management regulations have been introduced, along with no fishing zones where all fishing activities are prohibited. These measures are helping restore, regenerate, and conserve aquatic resources in the area.
To date, 23 aquatic resource conservation areas have been established across the Tam Giang Câu-Hai Lagoon system. These protected zones are among the key measures to safeguard biodiversity and support the lagoon's sustainable development.